This was one of my craziest games yet. We got to push through here and get into the base of Wiggles. And we have to put a flag into it and then hold the flag for a minute. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm spawning over here. And let me know what you think in the comments.
1.
Yeah. It's clear! It's clear! Where's he at? Hey, nice shot.
Got him. He's down. Got him. Let's go. Get us a flag. Get us the flag. Let's go. Gotcha.
Are they in there?
No, they're over there.
Well, you couldn't get in there, so they gave up. Well, except for that guy, apparently.
Flag's in! Pushing left, pushing left, pushing left, pushing left.
See how it works. You can't let these guys get that close, that quick, because as I said, he ran over me. It got everybody down on the base. It took like 7 people out there. Figure out like that.
I think he's pushing T. Nice shot.
Hey, nice shot.
He's like right there. Got one down. I don't think he called it, but I got that guy.
He's peeking over the top of the left bunker. I got him. Close, close. Right side. Oh no! I'm so sorry.
I got him with a grenade too.
Hit.
We got the, hey, get the flag in. Get the flag in. Get it in there. No, not you, I'm talking to. Go, 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 get it in. Get it in there. Just put it there. Okay, back out, back out, back out. Hey, yeah, you're pushing hard up that path.
After Dad hit that crazy flick, he held the flag and we won the game. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.